When you visit Africa, especially Rwanda country, don't leave the country without watching these amazing birds. That is black crake. A black crake is from Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Aves. This bird is amazing and can be found in Rwanda. The black crake is native to sub-Saharan Africa. This water bird is a member of the same family that includes coats, lead, and garnules. Both genders are alike. Adults have mainly black plumage, the wings and upper part having a brown olive tone. In the wild, its color appears as straight black, its eyes are red, and its bill is bright yellow. Its feet and legs are bright red, duller when not breeding. The juvenile is dull brown and has a dark greenish bill. Its feet and legs are dull red. The black crake is species from sub-Saharan Africa, as we said, but absent from the desert areas of southwest and northeast Africa. This bird frequency different types of freshwater habitats, preferring the dense undergrowth of wet clearings in wooded region and the grass marshes of open areas. The black crake feeds during the day and mainly after it has rained, foraging in cultivated areas, drying ground and short grasses, sometimes feeding some distance from cover. Black crake are omnivorous. They eat aquatic vertebrates and vertebrates like worms, crustaceans, mollusks, insectivorous, and larvae, tadpoles, small frogs, and small fishes. They may eat the eggs and nestings of herons and weavers. They eat seeds and parts of aquatic plants, and also scavengers on carcass of small birds, crabs, and crayfish. Black crake are seriously monogamous and form pair bonds that last for at least one breeding season. They breed all through the year when they are in suitable condition, with peak during the rains or following them. Black crake are common and widespread within the African range. The only threat to the black crake is the region is in Malawi and Nigeria, where the bird is hunted for food and for use in traditional medicine. Being wetlands depends species population in areas near agriculture development are under threat from water contamination. Eggs and nestings are killed by various mammals, birds, and reptiles. According to the IUCN Red List, the total black crake population size is around 1 million individuals. Currently, the species is classified as least concern on the IUCN Red List. Once again, don't leave this country, Rwanda, without visiting these amazing birds, as they are in many numbers. Thank you.